Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share this hairstyle which is very easy but it's little bit time consuming. So here I'm sharing this hairstyle step by step. I'm sure anyone can create this hairstyle. So beginners, please share your opinion, what you think about this hairstyle. Let's get started. First I'm going to divide my front section and then I'm going to comb the rest of my hair and dividing my hair into 3 equal parts. And then I'm going to make a ponytail, a tight ponytail, and for that I'm using a normal rubber band which I bought from a local market. Then I'm going to do a 3-strand braid, a normal braid, as you can see. Sometimes I'm going to pull the hair for more voluminous look. Pull your hair strand from the braid, it makes your braid look more voluminous. And then I'm going to secure the braid at the end with a rubber band. And then I'm going to repeat the same process for the other two halves. First I'm going to make a ponytail, a tight ponytail, and then I'm going to make a 3-strand normal braid. As you all know, 3-strand braid and making a ponytail is super easy for hairstyle. So you just need to create a 3-strand braid and a ponytail for this hairstyle and nothing else. And here also I'm going to secure the end with a rubber band, and also pull my hair from the braid to make it more voluminous. Always secure your hair with a rubber band to avoid any kind of messiness. When you are done with this, try to fix the braid as well, and then what you have to do, you just need to make a bun with the braid and secure it with some U-pins. 2 or 3 U-pins are enough for a single bun. Always try to knot the sideburns first and then work with the middle one. It will give you a nice U-shaped bun, as you can see. And after that I'm going to side parting my hair, and then I'm going to divide my hair into 2 equal halves. And here I am going to twist my hair strands with each other. I am going to fix this with some bobby pins. And here I am not using any U pins. For this I am using some bobby pins. Again I am repeating the same process for the other half. And twisting my hair strands with each other, and going to fix this with some bobby pins. And that's it, that's the complete hairstyle. For this hairstyle you just need to make ponytail, braid and twisting your hair with each other and pull your hair for some volume. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.